And away they go for the CN Warrior Gold Cup. Being a little lethargic at the start is Alan Dare. And as the field settles down, it's Cameron, the leader, in the white and black from Commodore in second in the claret and gold. 2 lengths behind is B52. After that is Varoness, is the Hyderabad challenger. Jack Frost second last. Last of all is Alan Dare. As they pass the 2,000 meter marker, the Hornby Virat Fauna, quite a moderate pace set there by Cameron. A length and a 3/4 in front of Commodore, length and a half away is B52. Length and a quarter behind is Varoness, making a slide forward move with Jack Frost, half a length behind towards the inside as they pass the 1800 in the yellow and green. 2 behind at the back of the field is Alan Dare. As they run past the 1600 meter marker, it's Cameron about 2.5 lengths ahead of Commodore, length and a half away is the B52 as they run past the 1400 meter marker. Varoness is on the outside. Jack Frost is close to the rail with 7 furlong in balance. 2 behind, still in the rear is Alan Dare. They're now at the far end of the track at the 1200 with 2/4 remaining in the CN Warrior Gold Cup. Cameron with pace slightly picking up, a length and a 3/4 in front of Commodore, all the time in second, Varoness in third. Length and a half away is B52 with 1,000 to go. Jack Frost is making headway on the outside, another 2.5 lengths behind is Alan Dare. Heading towards the half a mile pole, it's Cameron the leader from Commodore in second. Jack Frost has moved into third, and there's Varoness with half a mile in balance on the outside there. B52, another 3 lengths behind is Alan Dare, still the back marker. They're running down towards the entrance of the home straight. It's Cameron, the leader from Commodore, is very prominent in second. Jack Frost being pushed on the outside. Then there's B52, Varoness, Alan Dare as the hedge turns for home. Round the turn and into the straight, Cameron comes in home first. Hotly chased there by Commodore is on the outside. Another 2 lengths behind is Jack Frost. After that is B52. But it is Commodore on the outside from Cameron towards the inside railing. Jack Frost is the one galloping strongly on the outside, the rest are far behind, but it is Commodore from Jack Frost. It's Commodore from Jack Frost. It's Jack Frost from Commodore. It's Jack Frost from Commodore. Jack Frost half in front of Commodore. Jack Frost gets it from Commodore. Then there's Cameron, Alan Dare, B52. Last of 6 is Varoness.